Hello, this is Vance, and this is Wednesday, January the 9th, 2013. And these are the CL trades for today. It was interesting. It was like a big range day. You have to say that with maybe a fairly strong trend down in the middle of the day. This was really related to the news. I think it was more news-driven than anything else. At first, it kind of hesitated, waiting for the news, and then when the news came out, it was somewhat of a bearish report, and it kind of fell off fairly quickly, but then it kind of made an attempt to reverse. And so that was really what they looked like. We had this overnight price of, it had a low of 92.85, got to a high on the overnight of 93.34, and right at the open, we had this like a second entry long off the trend channel that I had drawn. You'd seen that, I think, if you follow the journal. So this is the first trade of the day. You think you saw that? I didn't. You could have gone short here. I mean, I've been a bit of a mistake. I should have closed this trade out. I had a runner going here, and it came back, and it took me out right below here, I think. And so I should have really closed this trade out when it got to this level, because it was close to the top of this trend channel. But more importantly, this is certainly rejection at this level. Came down, but as soon as it hit came to the trend channel, it got to the EMA, it did an immediate about face. So this was another place to go long. And as a result, you get the 15 ticks plus a bit of a runner. Price formed this double top right across here. First attempt to go higher, it failed. Second attempt to go higher, it failed. And as a result, we wound up with this was an excellent short. It took a while. As long as you have your stop above here, you're fine. Got at least your 15 ticks up. But when it got close to the report, the oil report, I closed it out. I mean, it was kind of bumping along there for a while. Got the 15 ticks fairly well. It wasn't really fast. I closed it out just before the oil report came out, because of the fact that I didn't want to hold through it, and it wasn't enough room. I mean, you could blow right through there, and it got a little choppy. This was another opportunity to get in. You could have gotten in here. I didn't. I missed this. I mean, looking at it in hindsight, I mean, it wasn't a bad setup, but if you get in, if you enter here, which is really a second entry at 93.19, your stop should be at least 93.33, so that's a 14-tick stop. That's not bad. I mean, you can put your stop here, but this is a trade that if you had gone on this early enough, you'd have been that would have been a really great trade. It was identifiable. You could see it. I didn't get in it. I had part of this one. I had these two trades already, so I wasn't really too keen on getting into this one. But this one I did take. I thought this was a very good reversal pattern. Prices wound down and made this double bottom. I thought of going long here because of this spike down, but after this really strong run down here, it was really, this forms a double bottom. It was maybe it's a little bit too far for my taste, but when it went down the first time, it failed. Attempt to go down the second time, an immediate failure, and this is a place to go long right here, which I took. I took this trade. It took a while to work out. I mean, it kind of bounced around there. I had my stop. I think I below here, down here. So 72. So I wasn't below this bar, but I was below here, and I had it like 15 ticks. And the reason was that you don't know how far it's going to come back. I thought it was a real decent trade, and then it worked its way out. It had a pullback, breakout pullback, and then it went to formed these double tops here. So this was a good trade. It worked out really well. But that was my last trade. These other ones I saw in hindsight. I mean, this trade here, when it got to this level, it was the first failure to go higher, attempt to go higher the second time, and then an immediate failure. Now, had you gone short right here at the bottom of the close of this bar, right at this level, and kept your stop above here, which is, I think it's 15 ticks as well, 93.14. So above this, like even above this bar here, if you kept the 15 tick stop, which would have been a 93.16 right here, it would have worked out to here. Now, do you hold through all this? I mean, would you close your stop out when you're 11 ticks ahead and then kind of tighten it from there? I don't know. I might be inclined to, depending on the day. But if this is going to be a continuation pattern, this isn't a bad trade as far as a shorter is concerned. But when it got to the bottom of the channel, we got into this conglomeration. And again, another trade. Had you gone long here, let me just move this out. This is a reversal pattern. Price attempt to go down. First time failed. Second time failed. Strong bull bar. You go long here, 15 tick stop, it would have worked its way out. So this would have been a trade that I would have definitely looked at seriously at taking it. And if not here, if I missed that one, I definitely would have gotten in here. I mean, that would be a trade. I mean, this is right across here. You can see that there's support right here, and that's and as you can see, it's really right now. It's really to the point where it's really trying to test this opening price when the news came out. Anyway, that's it for now. I mean, any questions, let me know. But one thing I want to mention, I saw the Corey Rosenblum seminar that was, or webinar, that was quite good. If you get a chance to take a look at it in replay, do that. But anyway, that's it for now. If you have any questions, please let me know. Hope you had a good day. If not, there's always tomorrow. Bye for now.